Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to download and install old NVIDIA graphics drivers in Windows. So very simple and basic way. Firstly, visit this website nvidia.com/download/index.spx. Now here you can search and you can select from the drop down list below to identify the appropriate driver for your NVIDIA product, like this. Then you can search. Now just you have to download, and once download will complete, install this driver to your Windows PC or laptop. Search and download and install. And once you complete downloading and installing process, restart your system. So this is the basic video guys to know how to download and install NVIDIA driver. Thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.